Okay, so Jogi ji has given me a very generous introduction. Good evening, all of you. I was just, adjusting certain things on the screen, so that took me a few minutes. And I will have to say that this is a platform that I am visiting for, I think, for maybe eighth or tenth time, and but more than that, uh, me and Jogiji have been associating with each other, collaborating with each other for almost a decade, and I have been a witness of how Jogiji has been bringing along. Academicians, learners, enthusiasts, literature lovers from all across the country and all across the globe. And he has been running this platform, this Elstar platform, with the help of Government of India, or thanks to our Government of India, that they promote such platforms, and to enthusiasts and facilitators, mediators like Jogiji, who takes all the efforts, to initiate this interaction and also to facilitate this interaction. So I think this will be a key point in our discussion. We can begin on this note, that this teacher professional development, what we are doing in such courses, is also part of teacher professional development. Because I don't know, among my participants, there might be teachers, there might be students, there might be language enthusiasts, and we are teachers, maybe in professional capacity, maybe in just personal capacity, but we are all teachers and lifelong learners. So nobody can debate these two aspects in our lives. We all are teachers and we all are lifelong learners. And this professional development part, that requires some structural, tightness, and some, um, you know, technical and pedagogical, um, framework, which I think, one of which is definitely such platforms, which again has been facilitated by the developing uh, computational skills and applications, along with people, and where the human component comes in is where people like Jogiji, they make use of this technological advancement and enable us to engage in such vibrant discussions, giving us such platforms. So thank you, and I'm sure you must have, because this is the last lecture, and you must have listened to a lot of I mean, great contents in the course of your the 7 day faculty development program, and you have acquired quite a few, something which, if you share with me at the end of this lecture, I'll be extremely grateful. And I will just try and give a summation of whatever little I can about this teacher professional development in ELT, English language teaching, and how AI, or rather I would put it as generative AI, because AI right now is generative because it generates contents, uh, and artificial intelligence is basically where they are the generative artificial intelligence, that is generative AI, where they are simulating human thinking. That is the key concept. They are simulating human thinking, and they are predicting human needs through our prompts, through our searches, and they are generating content which will cater to our diverse needs. And because the most key crucial thing here is that generative AI also mediates itself through language, or else what can it do? Maybe through visual data also, through statistics. But the language is the binding medium. Whether in English or any other language, language is the binding medium. So, as English language teachers, that is both a challenge and a responsibility, and an opportunity for ELT, English language teaching, English language teaching professionals, who have to cater to, and particularly belonging to a country like India, where we have to cater to a culturally diverse, sensitive, multilingual community, and where accessibility to digital facilities itself is a is on unequal fronts. We know that. And so, how we can, ensure and enable, how we can ensure and enable a more equitable distribution and dissemination, and a culture sensitive, context sensitive teaching. That is what I think we need to acquire in the process of becoming professionally uh, engaged ELT teachers. And that is what teacher professional development in using AI also teaches us, that what AI cannot do is to understand the